Welcome to Government Exam Quiz Hub. TNPSC Quiz, Group 4, Part 1. Each question has 4 options. Take a moment to think before the answer. Q1. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with fundamental rights? A. Part 2. B. Part 3. C. Part 4. D. Part 5. Answer. B. Part 3. Q2. Who is the head of the state government in India? A. Chief Minister. B. President. C. Governor. D. Prime Minister. Answer C. Governor. Question 3. Who was the founder of the Maurya Empire? A. Ashoka. B. Chandragupta Maurya. C. Bindusara. D. Harsha. Answer. B. Chandragupta Maurya. Q4. The Battle of Plassey was fought in which year? A. 1757. B. 1764. C. 1857. D. 1748. Answer. A. 1757. Q5. Which is the longest river in India? A. Yamuna. B. Brahmaputra. C. Ganga. D. Godavari. Answer. C. Ganga. Q6. Which type of soil is most suitable for cotton cultivation? A. Alluvial soil. B. Red soil. C. Black soil. D. Laterite soil. Answer. C. Black soil. Question 7. What does GDP stand for? A. Gross Domestic Product. B. General Domestic Product. C. Gross Development Plan. D. Global Domestic Product. Answer. A. Gross Domestic Product. Question 8. Which sector is known as the primary sector? A. Manufacturing. B. Agriculture. C. Services. D. Banking. Answer. B. Agriculture. Question 9. Which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Answer. C. Nitrogen. Question 10. Who is the current Chief Justice of India, 2026? A. D. Y. Chandrachud. B. N. V. Ramana. C. Sanjeev Khanna. D. U. Lalit. Answer. C. Sanjeev Khanna. How many questions did you answer correctly? Consistency in daily practice improves accuracy and confidence. Subscribe to Government Exam Quiz Hub for daily UPSC and state exam quizzes.